Hello everybody, Renee Rutten again here with another Canva training, and I'm going to show you how to utilize the pre-made graphics on the left-hand side, how to see the difference between a free graphic and a graphic that will cost you $1, and also how to use the layout of the graphics that have a charge to them with your own images and not get charged for it. So in other words, you can still use the layout if you like the creative, but remove the paid part of that and you can still use the graphic. So first of all, we'll start with a free graphic. Okay, so there is no watermarkings of any sort on this. You can, like all the graphics, you can change things up. You can move this around, move it clear off. You can double click, change any of the wording. As you can see, these texts are 3 pieces that are grouped together. You can ungroup them and then work with each one individually. All of those sorts of things that I have shown you in the past. But let's get rid of this one, and we're going to go and click on this one here, which is a paid graphic. Now, how you can tell it's a paid graphic for sure is you can see this watermark on here. It's got this webbing, and then it's got the Canva logo. And so if you, let's say that you love this graphic and you want to, just change the words to whatever you want. Let's say that you're having an open house with your business. Okay, but you don't want to pay for this graphic. So just double click this graphic like I have here, just double click and then delete that. And then go to your uploads and pick the graphic that you want to put in there. And just kind of resize it to however you want it to be. And now that graphic, even though you're using the graphic that Pinterest or that Canva created, you're not having to pay anything because you've inserted your own image there. You can also upload, and we've gone over this before, but let's say that you want to upload an image. So I'll just pick one here from my downloads. I can't even see what this is, but let's throw that up here and how that'll download, or excuse me, it will upload into my Canva folder here. And don't try and drag these over or insert them into your creative until this is completely uploaded. I've done that before and Canva doesn't like it. It makes a mess of things, and a lot of times you'll end up having to start over. So go ahead and let this circle fill completely up so that you know that it is completely uploaded so that you don't get an error. So it should just take another second or two here to upload. Okay, so that watermark thing is, or that bubbly thing is done. You're back to your uploads. And then you can just bring in the image that you want to bring in into your creative. I made that a little bit too large there. And of course, these don't all really go together. But I just wanted to show you how to use a creative from Canva that you liked, that was a paid image, but yet you could change it up any way that you want. We'll do another one here just so you can kind of see how this works. I don't know if this is paid or not, but this is one that's created out of a grid. And so you can go to your images here and you can put in all of your own images just by highlighting each one of these pieces. And we'll take that out. I like Warren Buffett. Let's stick him in here, one of these. We'll take that one out. And we'll stick in a Gucci t-shirt. Okay. Now, none of them have anything to do with each other, but just the idea of how you can fill those in. So now you know how to use paid graphics that are over here on the left-hand side. of your Canva screen, and you can use those without actually paying by simply filling in the image that they provide with your own private image. And that'll do it for today. Thank you and have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.